We decided to share appetizers, so these are fried tomatoes. They look and smell delicious. They're panko crusted gorgonzola cheese, roasted red peppers, and aged balsamic vinegar. $13. It was delicious. The second appetizer we're sharing is the fried calamari, which is lightly dusted in a seasoned flour with marinara and lemon. It's $15 and very tender. Sometimes you can get fried calamari and they're like rubber bands. This was not like that at all. These were very tender and cooked perfectly.